Hello viewers, a big namaste to you all. I am here with the review of the recently released Tamil movie Kabadadari, directed by Pradeep Krishnamurthy, starring Sibi Satyaraj, Nazar, Jayaprakash, Suman Ranganath, Sampath Maitreya and Nandita Shweta. This movie is a remake of Kannada thriller Kavaludari. Now, coming to the story straight away, the movie starts with some mysterious happenings during the 70s, which then shifts to the recent times, where we have our traffic cop Shakti, who is desperate to get into the crime department. Completely ignored by his seniors, he gets a golden opportunity when skeletal remains are found on metro construction site. Going against his seniors, Shakti continues his investigation and is able to relate it to the crime scene involving the archaeological department 40 years ago. He also gets some support from an alcoholic reporter, Kumar, who gives him some feedback about the case. His investigation takes a U-turn when he is able to convince the honest officer Ranjan, who had almost completed his investigation on this particular case but had kept him away from the department due to personal reasons. Now the three-member gang involving Shakti, reporter and the honest officer start digging into the past. What actually happened during that night? What was the motive behind the murders? When it looked like the case is solved with no more suspects alive, how does Shakti and company discover that there are other persons also involved in the case, and how do they track them? What is the common connection between the case and the persons who are investigating it right now? We have a solid plot and brilliant background score by Simon King, which are the major highlights of the movie. With a number of characters involved in the crime scene and no clue about the murders, we have suspense building up beautifully in the first half of the movie. In the second half, when one feels that the mystery part is almost solved, wait guys, you have more twists and it will continue till the last scene of the movie. However, I like the first half more and gripping as compared to the second one. Some of the night shots, the view of the construction site, seen with the ambulance getting stuck in the traffic jam, they are all very well done. I like the scene when Shakti is going through the case files, the treatment of him investigating the case himself. Although the movie is fast paced, there are some speed breakers like the song picturized on Nazar during the first half which could have been easily avoided. Coming to the performances, Sibi Satyaraj is super fit and is very good in action sequences and also has been impactful in the ambulance sequence. Nazar is a treat to watch, essays the role of retired officer Ranjan with a lot of maturity and dignity. Jayaprakash as an alcoholic reporter keeps low profile but is very impressive, especially towards the climax of the movie. Big surprise comes in form of Sampath Maitreya, who delivers a knockout performance playing the role of Minchur Ranganath. I have not discussed about this character. To know more about the character, you will have to watch the movie. With his cunning smile, sinister expressions, he has been simply brilliant. Suman Ranganath has a short role, but it is a tailor role made for her and she manages to make her presence clearly felt. Nandita Shweta gets minimum scenes, and she plays her part quite well. So, a brilliant plot with a lot of twists throughout, superb background score, and some good performances. This is definitely a worth watch. So, I would say go for it. Friends, if you like the review, please type in the comment section about your feedback and also please hit the subscriber button for more reviews. Thank you so much and have a good day.